Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to fill up the form of Zookal Tutoring site. This is Zookal. Basically Zookal is like other tutoring sites like Shake, you all know. So let's start to fill up the form. This is the link of the site. I will provide the link in the description box. Please check. Now click on Apply as a Tutor. Here you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or if you using Apple then you can sign up with Apple, or here you have to keep your email ID. Here is password. Now click on sign up. Now fill up the form. If you have done your graduation then check this box, and if you have GPA above 5 then check this box. Write the name of your country here. Your mobile number. Your degree like BCA, BBA, BSc, etc. Majors means the subject combination. Your area of expertise, choose according your background. Number of years you have studied in undergraduate degree. Mine is 3. Average academic score. Full name of institution or university. Here you have to write for which reason you want to become a teacher in this site. And here you have to write the most important quality of a teacher. I am giving an example of both. You can write by your own. Here you have to attach your local ID like PAN card or voter ID card or driving license, and here you have to attach your result. If you have any further comments, then you can write it here and then check this box and click on apply. After applying on Zookal, you will receive an email from their site where you can see that told you that they will review your application and notify you the status of your application within 1 month. Wait for 1 month. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.